Hey, Algebra kids, this is Dr. Callahan for week 20 Wednesday. How are you guys doing? I hope you had a wonderful week. We're almost there. So this is the last warm-up that you should have before turning in your warm-up log. So take a moment and answer the following 3 questions. Okay, so the way that you're going to turn in your warm-up log is you guys are in period 1. So this is the link for your tiny URL, and you are going to go ahead and either type this in or go ahead and use the QR code. There are 5 questions, and then you turn in the hard copy to me in person when I see you guys on the cart in class. This is for period 2, period 5, and 6. All right, so today what we're going to be doing is you are entitled to having a 8 by 5 by 11 cheat sheet for your final, for the common district final. And so I'm going to kind of help you guys create it. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a piece of paper, and if you're at home, just take an empty piece of paper. You're going to go ahead and fold it in half and then half again. So you have 4 boxes to the front and 4 boxes on the back of the paper. Each of the boxes are going to represent the units that we cover, okay? So the front is 1 to 4, back is 5 to 8. This is actually the sheet that they will give you with your common district final. As you can see, some of the questions and formula here are not very helpful. Then they will also give you the student work area, which I don't really find it very helpful either, but that's okay. So our first topic, so with your box number 1, you're going to write exponent and exponential functions. So I'm going to talk about decay and growth. I'm going to copy this part down. This is an exponential growth, and as you can see, it goes from small, goes up to big, okay? A decay is the opposite of that. It goes from somewhere big, and then it goes to small. Another thing that you should definitely realize with the equation, and you should notice a difference here, is that with a growth, the equation is always going to be bigger than 1, and with a decay, the equation inside the parenthesis is always less than 1. And again, if you take a look at this right here, B is going to be bigger than 1 for a growth, and B is smaller than 1 for a decay. A good way of seeing this is like 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is going to give you a really big number. Whereas 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 just gets even smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, so then some of the examples they might have on the exam might look something like this, which says which function represents a table of values. Obviously, if you look at the y value, it's going from somewhere big to somewhere small. So it can't be A, it can't be B. It can either be C